German has 3 words for the der, die, das, and everyone will tell you it's random. It isn't. In the next few minutes you'll learn to guess the gender of most German nouns correctly, with patterns, not memorizing a dictionary. And stay to the end. There's one everyday word that completely breaks the rules, and it trips up almost every beginner. Every German noun has a gender. Masculine takes der, feminine takes die, neuter takes das. It's not about biology. A table is masculine, der Tisch. A lamp is feminine, die Lampe. A book is neuter, das Buch. And it matters, because the gender changes the words around it. Your adjectives, your pronouns, everything agrees with it. Get the gender, and the rest of the sentence falls into place. Start with the most reliable rule of all. If a noun ends in heit, keit, schaft, tion, or I, it's almost always die. Watch, die Übung, the practice. Die Freiheit, freedom. Die Möglichkeit, possibility. Die Freundschaft, friendship. Die Nation. This one ending, is right over 90% of the time. Learn these 6 endings and you've just unlocked thousands of words. Now the masculine signals. Many door words ending in aa, der Lehrer, the teacher, der Computer. Endings like ling and ismus to, der Frühling, Spring, der Kapitalismus. And a whole calendar s-worth. Days, months and seasons are all der Montag, der Januar, der Sommer. A quick memory hook. They're powered by the sun. Der and Neuter, das. 2 endings are basically a guarantee. Chen and lein, the little endings. Anything with them is das, no exceptions worth worrying about. Das Mädchen, das Brötchen, the little bread roll. Also very reliable, ment and das Dokument, das Zentrum. And here's a bonus. Turn any verb into a noun, and it's das. Essen, to eat, becomes das Essen, the food. So, that word I promised. Das Mädchen. Girl is neuter? Yes, but not because German is strange. It's the chen rule winning over meaning. The ending decides. So the honest truth is, the patterns get you most of the way, and for the handful that break the rules, learn the noun together with its article from day 1. Never just Tisch, always der Tisch. That one habit saves you months. Here's everything on one board. Die Vorung, heit, keit, schaft, tion, Therefore, ling, ismus and days, months, seasons. Das for, chen, lein, ment, and verbs used as nouns. Screenshot this, but you won't remember it by looking. You'll remember it by using it. You've learned the patterns. Now lock them in, because you only really own a rule once you've used it a dozen times. We built a free set that drills exactly these der, die, das patterns, and it remembers the ones you get wrong, so they come back until they stick. It's free, the link's in the description. Go practice. Teen der, die and das stop being a guess.